Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This one is called In Flight by Sandra Bergeron. Sorry if I said that wrong, but this is so pretty. It is like this beautiful eagle soaring in like the creek, and there's like what looks like a waterfall, some trees, beautiful scenery. This one is 65 by 97.9 centimeters. It is a square drill here. We have our box here with the sleeve. It's just a standard box. Okay, here's the side thumbnail. This has 65 colors, including 6 fairy dusts. Total diamonds, 102,057. Whoop whoop. And of course we have our thumbnail on the bottom here. Now I did slit the plastic here just to open it up, and I'm gonna dive right in here. So this is going to be releasing this coming Saturday. Make sure you're following Diamond Art Club on their socials and such so you can see what time there's early release for Diamond and Ruby members and, you know, all the same fun stuff. So let's get into it. In the box we have our canvas. And we have our toolkit, and we have our little thank you, welcome, mabob. This has our symbols for our kitting up process. So the toolkit has everything you need. I'm not going to go through it, but you know, the tray, the pen, everything that you have to have in order to complete this diamond painting. Set that over here. Now let's take a quick glance at the symbols here. Oh, and here is our treasure quest card. This one looks really neat in the holographic. Oh, by the way, my hands are purple because I helped my son, my son Zachary, dye the tips of his hair purple. And I tried to be careful, and it's still on my hands. It stained me pretty good. I've been using nail polish remover to get it off. Anyway, that's why my hands are purple. I did not fight a Smurf or something. So, anyway. Here's our treasure quest card. You can collect these. There's different rarities. You can redeem them on the back. There's a scratch off card. If you need more information about the treasure quest cards, check out the description of this video. And there's a link for more information, how to claim, so on and so forth. This particular one is a bronze. You can't tell by the color on the back. It does tell you what the rarity is. But it's beautiful as a picture of the painting, along with the title, the artist, and the size. All right. The envelope has our tips and tricks, step by step and such. This is our symbols sheet here. Inventory sheet, maybe that's a better word. So yes, all 65 colors here. And these are individual stickers that you can use to kit up your painting. You can just peel those off and put them on your containers for the corresponding color. And at the bottom they have their special drills. So all of the fairy dusts have the Z in front of it. So lots of things going on here. And then we have our thumbnail picture. So there's a little better glance at it. And this is also a sticker that you can use on your containers. All right, let's put this back in here. And we're going to get into the kit here. This has lots of colors. It is a very nice, like, earthy kind of feel to it. It's a really, really pretty painting. Let's see if I can rip into this here. There we go. All right. Slide that out. There we go. All right. Let's see. Is this the top? Yes, it is. Okay. Ooh, look at those colors already. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow. Look at the color details on the eagle. Okay, so inside, of course, curled up is our drills, which we will take a closer look at. I'm going to roll this the opposite way so we can see it laid out better, but it is beautiful so far. Alright, I have it laid out flat here. This is, okay, I know I say this all the time, but this is another canvas that, like, I looked at the picture and of course I thought, you know, it was beautiful, you know, looking at this picture here. Of course, it's beautiful. I love it. But looking at the canvas here, it's like, it's breathtaking. And it's one of those pictures that is going to look stunning as a completed diamond painting. And I'm not just saying that. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, look at the colors of the sky here. It's like a really pretty pastel. Oh, it's just really pretty. You can see the mountain peaks here. The eagle, I'm assuming that symbol's gonna be 310. Let me see. Yes. So this black dot symbol, I don't know if you can see that here. Here we go. This black symbol is 310. But if you look at the lines going up the wings, and you have different shades of brown, and you get here to like the different feather patterns, this is beautiful. And of course, this is the underwing, and then you get here, and it's the top of the wing view, and it's gonna have this beautiful tan color going. Detailed head. Wow, this is just super, super pretty. And like the details here, the streaks of the tail. Oh my goodness, this is just really, really pretty. I know I keep saying that, I'm sorry. I'm curious and eager to see where these fairy dusts are going to go. So we will take another closer look at the canvas here. For now, I'm just going to flip it over, and then we see the amazing signature Diamond Art Club super soft canvas here. It's a beautiful, like, velvety soft feeling. And we are going to look at the drills. So I know this is some of your favorite parts, and then some of you hate this part, so whatever you want to do. But I said I would go through all of the drills, so that's what I'm going to do. So on the outside, I could see the big old bags here. So we're just going to go through this strand by strand here. Okay. So we can see that there's going to be a lot of 310s, which we already knew that by looking just what we looked at so far. So at first we have our big bag of 939, which is like kind of like a different shade of black. It helps blend the 310s. And here is our 310s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. 5 bags of 310s. Then we have 3042. Then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 big bags of 3371. And then we go to 169, 598, 2 bags of 938. Looks like, 935, 890. Oh, 2 bags of 890. It's like a dark green color. And then 799 and 160. And then the next one. All right, here we have our first fairy dust. This is Z6021. I never know how the colors show up on camera. To me, this looks like a blue-gray color. It's a really pretty fairy dust. And then we have 3857, then 300, another fairy dust. Oh, 2 bags of Z3808. It's like a dark teal color, like a dark blue-green-ish color. I'm not very good at describing stuff. Oh, and another one right off the back, Z3064. Pretty tan color. Another one is Z927, another tealish type of color. You can see the beautiful frost on that. That is stunning. All right, 2 bags of 930. We have 738, 414, 2 bags of 3864, 3772, 2 bags, this is a really pretty teal color blue, like a seafoam blue, I don't know. It is 3813, 3782, 611, 2 bags of 813. Go. All right, now I think we are to our smaller bag. That was a fun sound. Okay. Nope, more big bags. Okay, so we have 898, 2 bags of 898. We have 437, 3799. That's a pretty color. 369, 3860, 800, 829, 161, 3022. 928, 931, 6014, 844, 6034, 823, 3031, 3047, 519, 400. This looks to be our last one, maybe? Yes. Okay. We have 520, 413, 3842, 839, 524, 517, 803, 3817, 317, 644, 830, 780, 453. Here's another fairy dust, Z937. We have 775, 3033, Z782, 732, and 640. And last one, 3756. Few of those guys. All right. Now I'm going to flip this back over. I'm going to see if I can find where all these special drills go. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first fairy dust we have is the darker tan color. It is Z7, what is it? Z782. I call that one a Christmas tree. And the places where I saw that are here in his beak. And this is kind of like a little wooded area above his head there. Now it is a tan color, so I'm sure it's trickled in other places. Like just now I saw a couple in his feet and this other little wooded area over here. I don't really see it in any other prominent place, but they could be like trickled throughout. Okay, so same thing with the lighter, it was like a seafoam green color. That symbol is capital P. So with this being so colorful, they could be everywhere. However, like glancing at this, I see it trickled down here like throughout the water. You look at the original picture, it's like throughout the stream here. So yeah, you just kind of see it throughout. No, I can't find any. Oh, here's some like right here in this area, and kind of right here by his feet, and it just throughout the water. Now it could be trickled in some places in the sky, but it really does look like it's sprinkled here in the lighter colors of the water. All right, the next one is the dark green that we saw. That's the clover symbol. There's not a whole lot of these that I saw, but it looks like it's here. You can see that here in the trees, kind of like where the sunshine is coming in to meet the wooded areas here, which is going to give it a really, really neat effect for that dark green fairy dust. All right, so the next one is it's kind of like the lighter colored tan. It's a little swirly swirl, Z3064. So I saw most of these in the wing here. You can kind of see it as like an undertone going throughout the streaks. You also see a little bit in the bottom of his head. Also, if we go over, there's some throughout his tail. You also have a few at the bottom of the canvas where like the rocks and such are. All right, the next one is, it's like a dark blue fairy dust. It's Z3808. It looks kind of dark blue to me. So that is the one that's kind of all over the place. You can see here it's all throughout, like the symbol, it's like a squiggle square. Squiggle square, if you see there. So it's all throughout here on this side. It's in between the wings. It's here at the top of the wooded areas. It just kind of looks like an undertone throughout. You have a ton down here in the water as well. So that one's just kind of all over. All right, the next one, or the last one here, is Z6021. It's like that grayish color. So I saw that mostly at like the peak of the mountain, like going up the mountains. It's also on this side, kind of in the mountain range. Also, there's some down here at the bottom. So that one's also kind of sprinkled throughout. So the fairy dust kind of being all over the canvas is going to make it shimmer and just be amazing. So it's charted very, very well. I think I think that you would enjoy this painting personally because it is just so pretty. And you know, it's not a crazy amount of like confetti, and the colors are different, they're vibrant. I don't think you would get bored with this, doing this. And plus the wing here, the way it's charted and patterned, it kind of like separates it for you, so it's going to help you keep your square drills straight. The most confetti I see is in the top part of the wing. Let me give you a closer look there. But even still, it's still quite grouped together. You know, it's not like obnoxious kind of confetti. Down here, the bottom and even the eagle, it would be really fun to do all the 310s, the black outline, and then fill in the colors, or however you want to do it. So this painting is absolutely stunning. Check it out. It is releasing this coming Saturday. And if you have not purchased from Diamond Art Club before, check out my affiliate link in the description. If you're brand new, you get a bit of a discount, and I get a small cutback, or yeah, as well, a little tiny money, but you know, only if you're brand new. So please check that out. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the thumbs up button on your way out. I appreciate you all watching. Let me know if you're getting this painting this Saturday. It is so pretty. All right, until next time, everyone, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.